in the student view on the course page. I'm using Pre-Calc AP, but it's the same for everything. And I'm just kind of going over how do you know what to do and when to do it. There's many ways. I'm an over planner, so we can kind of see this on the unit planner document, right, which I opened here. I have every day outlined for you, so you could see this calendar here if you want to see how the whole unit works very easily. You can see I labeled it here for you, so here's what you're doing in week 1. All right, and what I want to show you here is how to use the calendar on Canvas, because this is just my course. And if you go to your calendar, you have to go to September. You can see each assignment for my class listed on here. And you know, if you have multiple QVS courses, what's really nice is you will see everything that you need to do for each day, as long as the teacher is using the calendar. So, and the other nice thing is when you've finished it, when you've met the requirements to finish an assignment, it'll be crossed off. So you'll be able to see like, hey, I've done all my work. And you can also click on that and see what the assignment's about. And you can click on it here. And as long as it's not locked, it's going to take you right to that assignment. So you can get to this assignment from the module. So I could be in Pre-Calc AP at the module and click on it and get to the assignment, or I could be in the calendar and get to that assignment. And so you can work just straight from the calendar if you wanted. Again, it always goes back to July. If I'm on September 4th and I want to know what do I have to do for all my QVS courses, it's going to be on the 4th. And then you can get the lines through it and you can see, hey, I got all my work done. I didn't put, I could have put dates by which you have to complete this so that the assignments turn off, but I didn't do that because there's always students starting and stopping and working on different schedules. So for right now, these assignments that are listed on this calendar match exactly what's on your unit planner. So you can kind of see exactly what I need to do each day. So I hope that's helpful. And if you're behind, that's another cool thing, is that let's say I should be here on the 15th, but for whatever reason you started late, then you can see, oh, if I do 2 assignments and 2 assignments, I'm going to get caught up. So it'll also help you if you're working behind schedule.